Do you have difficulty in forming a healthy sexual relationship with another person? Welcome to my video on Dream Analysis 5 Psychosexual Development Stage 5 Genital Stage. I thank my 3,872 viewers, 50.3% from India, 7.1% from US and 42.5% from other countries. YouTube data shows that only 41.1% viewers have subscribed and 58.9% viewers are not subscribed. I thank my 366 subscribers for subscribing. I make these videos for personality development and parenting, child development. So those who watch my video, please subscribe. Parents want their children to be socially functional. They want to have a happy married life. But unfortunately, many of them do not know how to guide their children. We have Dr. Sigmund Freud, who lived during 1856 to 1939, who have contributed psychosexual development 5 stages. I hope you have watched my earlier 5 videos on dream analysis introduction and stage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If children are successful in 4 stages, they will be able to have healthy sexual relationship with another person. Having sexual relationship is not a child's play. The teenagers are not aware the importance and the consequences of that. With the result, in India, 1.56 crores abortions take place and 2 crores children are in orphanage. Moreover, the sexuality enjoyment is from puberty to death. Many people think that after having children, they do not want to have sex, or they have got beliefs which prevent them from having sex. Moreover, a lot of people have lifestyle diseases like diabetics, cholesterol and obesity. So all these lifestyle diseases, reduce their potential to have healthy sexual relationship. Sexuality is consensual and meant for adult. People have to be aware of frigidity, impotence, sexual perversion. During phallic stage, age 3 to 6, children become aware of their bodies of other children, bodies of parents. So therefore, it is advisable, especially before getting married, to know the body of the person getting married, so that after marriage they do not find fault or they do not have dissatisfaction which leads to divorce. In India, 20 to 30% divorce take place due to sexual satisfaction not being there. During stage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they understand the importance of having psychosexual development. If these 4 stages, there will be fixation and they still are stuck up in the earlier stages, having impulsive desire to have sexual relationship, aggressive relationship, and we can call it actually sexual harassment at society or workplace, or even they becoming rape. So a healthy body and healthy mind is very important factors for having healthy sexual relationship. So we need in our body all vitamins, minerals and hormones. So we require regular exercise to absorb the vitamins and minerals from the food that we take, and have pranayam breathing exercise to secrete hormones in the body. So all these three, that is vitamins, minerals and hormones, are required in the body to maintain our body, so that we have sexual power and we are able to have healthy sexual relationship. Well friends, I hope you have enjoyed my video. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment and share with people who have children between 0 to 19 and who want to develop their personality. Thank you.